Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Denisia. I go by D. My brand is AICENED, and you can find me on every single social media platform by that handle. AICENED is actually my birth name backwards. So yes. Now this video is just a quick rundown breakdown of persons who want to start their own shipping company, whether you're living in Jamaica or you are a Jamaican living overseas but you have connections to Jamaica same way. Yes, you can do it. It's not going to be a very long video. I'm not going to put no fancy dancy introductory at the beginning or anywhere dropping in here. So I'm just going to run over the basic facts for you so that you have a clear understanding of what it is that is required of you, right? So the process of starting your own shipping company literally starts with the registration of your company. So if you don't know what you're going to call your company, you need to start brainstorming this. Once you have registered your company with the Companies Office of Jamaica, then you can move to step 2. How much it is to register your company with Companies Office of Jamaica? Just $2,500. At the time of recording this video, and for the longest while, as far as I have known, it's been $2,500, right? Once your company is registered, you are now protected, which means that you don't have to worry about rebranding later on down the line or having disputes or legal issues with anyone who might have a close name or the same name as you, but just because you didn't register it and you're running on it and they did register it, you're having legal issues. Awesome. Next, you want to partner with a trusted freight forwarder who is in Jamaica and has international warehouse access. In our community, we offer access to 4 different freight forwarders, 2 based in the US and 2 are based in China. In the US, these warehouse providers provide a series of services or a series of benefits. They do packaging, branding for you. They offer you access to their warehouse so you can utilize it. This is actually where your customers will be shipping their packages to, and this is where the address that your customers will get will be assigned. That makes sense? This is where the address that your customers get, this is where your customers' address will be assigned to this location here. And then they offer website integration. So the website integration allows your customers as well as yourself to track the location and the whereabouts and the happenings of their packages. So you are connecting directly to the warehouse, the freight forwarder's warehouse, through the warehouse portal, which means that you have the back end. You can see the notice board, what's happening with the shipment, what's going on with customs clearance, if anything, what's going on at the warehouse, etc., etc. From your end, whatever you have been updated on your end, you now need to update it on your customer's end. So you go in, you find the customers whose package is on their way, and you change the status with just a click of a button. Using the website, you can also integrate an email system to send out updates based on when you change the status, or create invoices for customers. You can also add your rate sheet to the website so that when you're populating the invoice, it is easier for you to get done. That is the next benefit. They do offer air and sea freight. You will have to talk to them about the pricing in regards to sea freight. I'm not gonna go over that in this video because it's a lot of information, guys, and I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes long. All right, you get the packaging and branding, you get the website integration, you get the freight forward and sea forward, you get the air freight and sea freight option. You also get custom clearance. So when they ship the package from Florida to Jamaica, they will handle the custom logistics part of it. So you just need to sit back, relax, and wait on them to send you your invoice and say your package is ready, please pay this. You pay your invoice, you collect it. It's kind of the same like when you have when you go and you ship with a shipping company and they provide you with an invoice. It's kind of the same process, except you have a 2-step now. You need to clear an invoice and then you need to produce an invoice to collect back the money plus your profit. And those are just some of the things that are associated with the US freight forwarder. Now the Chinese freight forwarder, they do offer sea and air just the same. Sea freight can be anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks. Sometimes it comes earlier, sometimes it comes later. Is it busy season? Is it not busy season? Has there been any delays with the shipments? Stuff like that. So all of that plays a factor. It plays a factor with the US warehouse as well, right? The air freight can take a minimum of 10 days, or maybe like 7 to 15 business, we're gonna say business days, because most people don't work on weekends. So 7 to 15 business days for it to reach from China to Jamaica, because it goes through a series of channels, right? Then you need to know that there is no website integration in the Chinese warehouse connection. There are no websites, so you're not gonna get regular updates as you would with the US warehouse. However, the freight forwarders do offer a communication channel system, probably through WhatsApp or Telegram, or maybe an email, where they will utilize to keep you guys updated. And more times than none, your package will get to where it needs to be. So you just now need to tell your customers manually that this is what is happening with their packages and this is where it's at, right? Not really too technical. So Shipyard Network provides you with the knowledge of how to register your company, how to purchase your domain. Your domain is going to run you anywhere between $7 and $10, and it lasts for up to 12 months. So it's not a monthly subscription, it's a yearly subscription. It can be a 2-year subscription, 3-year subscription, depending on how much it is. No, not how much, depending on how long it is that you paid for. You get this access to the suppliers information, you get access to the freight forwarders that we recommend, trusted, tested, and highly recommended. They have been in the business for years, and a lot of persons have been doing business with them for months, right? Oh, so as I was saying before I so rudely interrupted myself, you get access to tax information, you get access to Zoom meetings, you'll get access to the packaging information, like how much it is that your freight forwarder is going to charge you for packaging, and how much it is that you can charge your customers for packaging. You'll get access to all of that inside of Shipyard Network. You will be the one who's responsible for clearing your invoice with your freight forwarder, collecting your packages, and then delivering your packages to your customers. You'll also be the one responsible for marketing your business so that it is able to grow. You're responsible for your customer service. Shipyard is only providing you with the necessary information and the necessary resources to get you off the ground and running, right? That is what you get with Shipyard. So as the business is yours, this is your responsibility. So Shipyard Network, as of the time of the recording this video, is on a monthly subscription of $27. If you decide that you want to go the lifetime route, you can get the lifetime membership for $80. Now, that is also a sale price, because the original price of the entire program is $197, right? So you're getting access to the mother community, and you'll also be getting access to Shipyard Network. So that is it. So if you do go the monthly routes, and you just know that you can cancel at any time, but as soon as you cancel, so does the community support and access to anything inside of the community. So your subscription will run until the end of your current pay cycle, and then not us, but the community itself, the platform that the community is hosted on, they will remove you from the community. So if you do have any questions, go ahead, drop them in the comment section, or reach out to me on TikTok or Instagram. I always respond to my customers. I always respond to my business queries. Or if you are ready, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box below, and you can go ahead and just take your next step. So I'll see you on the inside. Bye.